Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Here we have an alphabet and we will learn the alphabet. We will read our alphabets in this mode. So let's get started. Our first letter is A. This is a A. A for apple. A is for apple. This one is B. Where is B? Here. That one is B. B is for ball. B for ball. Next is C. Where is C? Is it a C? Yes, correct. This one is C. C for cat. Next letter D. This one is D. D is for dog. D is for dog. E. E is for elephant. E for elephant. F. F for fish. F is for fish. Next is G. Where is G? Is it a G? Yes, this one is G. G for goat. G for goat. H. Where is H? This one is H. H for horse. H is for horse. I. I for ice cream. J. J. Yes, this one is J. J for juice. K. K for kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. L. L for lamp. L is for lamp. M. M for monkey. M is for monkey. N. N for nose. N is for nose. O. O for orange. P. P is for parrot. Q. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. R. R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit. S. S for snail. S is for snail. T. T for top. T is for top. U. U for umbrella. U is for umbrella. V. V is for van. V for van. W. W for wall. W is for wall. X. X for xylophone. Y for yachet. Then Z for zebra. Thank you so much kids. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.